This is the Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to split bill on PayPal. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. It's very simple if you want to split bill with your friends using PayPal. So first of all, of course, we have to open our PayPal. You can open it on mobile apps or on the website. Now, from here, you can see there's so much feature from PayPal. You can select on send and request, and you can select on more, and you'll find there is an option split bill, split a bill. You can just select on that. Now you can enter email, username, or mobile number from your friend that you want to split bill with. Example. Now you can select on next, and you can enter the split bill nominal. For example, like this. You can also include your share, and you can also add someone else if you have another friends. After that, you can enter a note. You can add note if you want to. Now you can just select on request payment. So now you have a split bill with your friend. You can just wait until your friend sends you the money. It's very simple, right? So that is how to split bill on PayPal. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.